By souls, this concept needs more clarification that Rajgun is Brahma, Satgun is Vishnu, Tamgun is Shivji. And then some secret of Gita Ji will also be shared with you. This is the evidence in Gita Ji about creation, the birth of these three. Let's see, Markandeya Puran shows us the quality of these three. Markandeya Puran has been published by Gita Press Gorakhpur. Published by the Gita Press Gorakhpur. Now I will show you on page 123. Look here on page 123. Markandeya Ji said, Markandeya Ji is saying, we now come here. In this manner, there are three stages of Swayambhu Paramatma, self-made God. Rajogun dominant Brahma, Tamogun dominant Rudra, Satgun dominant is the keeper of world, Vishnu. These are the three lords and their three qualities. Oi hoy. How well it was clarified. Let's make it clearer, because unless the concept of Rajgun Brahma, Satgun Vishnu and Tamogun Shivji is completely clear, the following saying cannot be comprehended. Gun तीनों की भक्ति में ये भूल परो संसार, कहे कबीर निज नाम बिना कैसे उतरो पार. This is Srimad Devi Bhagavad. Comments included. This includes the Sanskrit part. And where was it published? Ath Devi Bhagavatam Sabhashtikam Samahatmayam, Khemaraj Sri Krishna Das Prakashan, Bombay 41. That was published here. Now begins the third unit. Oho. Ath Srimad Devi Bhagavate Bhasha Tikayute Tritiya Skandha Prarabhyate. Now begins the third unit. Here it is on page 11. On page 11, and dialect included unit 3rd, chapter 5, verse number 8. Here 7 ends and the 8th begins. Lord Shankar is saying to his mother Durga, O mother, if you are always compassionate towards us, then how come did you make me dominant with Tamogun and Brahma with Rajogun, while Hari Vishnu has Satgun? Now, look here, this is in Sanskrit. That was the explanation. This is Sanskrit. Here the 7th ends, 8th begins. Yadi dayar dramana na sadam ambike katham ahem vihitacha. Ahem, which means, how come you made me? Tamo guna, Kamalajja, born from the lotus. Brahma holds Rajogun. Why is that? Suvitaha kimu satoguna harihi. And why did you make Vishnu with satoguna? So you can see that with Srimad Devi Bhagavad and the Shiv Puran, the subject has been clarified that Prakriti and Pradhan is used to refer to Durga. And the three qualities Rajagun Brahma, Satgun Vishnu, Tamgun Shivji. Now let us show you in Srimad Bhagavad Gita that how with the co-working of Prakriti, nature, Durga and Kal-face Brahma in Sri Krishna led to the origin of the three qualities Rajgun Brahma, Satgun Vishnu and Tamogun Shivji. Have a look. Srimad Bhagavad Gita is being shown to you. In Srimad Bhagavad Gita being shown to you, have a look at the 14th chapter. In chapter 14, verses 3, 4 and 5. Aha, here in 3rd. O Arjun, mine Mahat Brahma Roop Mool Prakriti, Prakriti is Durga, of all the beings, Yoni, that is, from where they are born, Ahem, Main, in all life forms, I establish all of them. Tat means, with the combination of both, all the life forms are then born. In 4th, O Arjun, in various forms of life in various bodies, a number of figures, meaning the body holder beings are created. Prakriti is the one Who conceives them to give birth? She is Durga. Durga is their mother, and I am the source of seed, their father. Now let's look at the fifth. O Arjun, Satgun Vishnu, Rajgun Brahma, and Tamogun Shankar, these are the three qualities of the three deities that originated from Durga, originated from nature. They connect the immortal spirit based on the deeds. Satgun Vishnu, Rajgun Brahma, Tamogun Shankar were born from Durga as per the deeds. They keep us here in the body as various degrees of punishments they keep us. Now, pious souls, God used to say, मेरी बात दे से ये दुनिया अजब दीवानी, मेरी कही एक ना मानी. What did God say? निरंजन धन तेरा दरबार, निरंजन धन तेरा दरबार, जहां पर तनिक न न्याय विचार. God Kabir, the ultimate and complete power, the venerable God Kabir, used to say 600 years ago that, O devil, may you be ruined, what tyranny have you conducted? He said to the devil that there is no justice in this world of yours. You have cheated on everyone, and on the basis of lies you have kept everyone here, and with these lying teachers you have filled the hearts of innocent people with lies, who now trust the liars and would not listen to me. Niranjan dhan tera darbar, niranjan धन तेरा दरबार, जहां पर तनिक न न्याय विचार. वैश्या ओढ़े मुलमुल खासा, गल मोतियों के हार. वैश्या ओढ़े मुलमुल खासा, गल मोतियों के हार. पतिव्रता को मिले न खाती, ये सूखा नीरस आहार. निरंजन धन तेरा दरबार, निरंजन धन तेरा दरबार, जहां पर तनिक न न्याय विचार. पाखंडियों की पूजा जग में संत को कहे लबाड़. पाखंडी की पूजा जग में संत को कहे लबाड़. अज्ञानी को परम विवेकी और ज्ञानी को मूढ़ गवार. निरंजन धन तेरा दरबार, निरंजन धन तेरा दरबार, जहां पर तनिक न न्याय विचार. कहे कबीर सुनो भई साधो, यहाँ सब उल्टा व्यवहार. कहे कबीर सुनो भई साधो, यहाँ सब उल्टा व्यवहार. साचे को तो ये झूठा बतावे, इन झूठों का एतबार. निरंजन धन तेरा दरबार, निरंजन धन तेरा दरबार, जहां पर तनिक न न्याय विचार. कहे कबीर सुनो भई साधो, या सब उल्टा व्यवहार. कहें कबीर सुनो भई साधो, या सब उल्टा व्यवहार. साचे को तो झूठा बतावे, इन झूठों का एतबार. निरंजन धन तेरा दरबार, निरंजन धन तेरा दरबार, जहां पर तनिक न न्याय विचार. हेल ट्रू गुरु.